Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, on his farm. Hello everybody, how are you all today? Did you hear that sound? Can somebody guess who they are? Yes, you're right. They are sheep. And today we are going to the farm to see sheep. Would you like to come and join me? Before we begin our journey, let's inform our parents what we need to have to make our beautiful stick puppet. You need a black construction paper, a white construction paper, a cardboard circle, some cotton, your glue bottle, a saucer, a pair of scissors, a long pencil like this, a black platinum, sellotape, and a serviette. Are you all ready, my friends? Great! Oh, wait! I need to wear my hat. Today, I'm pretending to be a farmer. Let's go to the farm. Here we are in the farm. Do you hear the sound? Oh, hello, sheep. We all have come to see you. It seems like it is hungry. Oh, look, the sheep is eating grass. All right, this is a sheep. It is black and white. It likes to eat grass and it lives in the farm. Now it's your turn to talk about the sheep. Repeat the sentences after me. This is a sheep. It is black and white. It lives in the farm. It likes to eat grass. Very good. All right. Hope you enjoyed the journey in the farm. Now it's time to make a stick puppet sheep. Okay, let's make cotton balls first. You can make small cotton balls using your fingers and palms. All you have to do is rolling, rolling and rolling. You can easily do it with your palm. Roll it, roll, roll, roll. What color are these cotton? They are white. We have white cotton balls. All right. Let's roll it, roll, roll, roll. We have big cotton balls, small cotton balls. Okay, this is how we make cotton balls. Isn't it easy as ABC? Now you need your cardboard circle. And also your glue bottle. Put some glue on your saucer and apply with your finger. You can apply all around the circle. Okay. Clean your fingers and now it's time to stick the balls. See, we are going in a circle. You can enjoy this with your parents, with your siblings, with your friends, at home. All right. Let's keep it aside. Once you have finished filling the cardboard circles with the cotton balls, you can leave it to dry. Now we need the black construction paper. We are going to cut an oval shape. Your oval shape doesn't need to be perfect. And since you are using a pair of scissors, you can get some help from your parents. This is my oval shape. And you also need another 4 oval shapes. I'm going to fold the paper like this and cut my oval shapes. See, it's very easy. Now I have 5 black color oval shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need the white construction paper. We are going to cut the eyes from this paper. 2 little eyes for the sheep. Okay. These are my 2 circles. I have 5 black ovals and 2 white circles. Let's take the cardboard circle. Now it's ready. Let's take the first oval shape, the big one, and put some glue on it. Place it in the middle of the cardboard circle, like this. Keep it aside and wipe your hands. Now you have to take your black platinum and we are going to do the eyes. Carefully draw a black circle in the middle of these white circles. Can you all see? They are eyes. Now we are going to paste them on this big oval shape. Are you all doing with me? Do it carefully. Just a tiny drop of glue and you can stick it easily. Look, we have done the eyes. Right. Now we are going to do the ears of this sheep. You can paste your black small ovals, 2 ovals like these. And finally, the legs. Take another black oval shape like this and paste it right here on the edge of the circle. And the other one right here. This is our sheep and now it's ready to be a puppet. Shall we count the number of black ovals we have on the sheep? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, we have 5 ovals on our sheep. And can somebody count and tell me how many white circles we have on the sheep? Yes, you are right. We have 3. Did you count the cardboard circle? Okay, we have 2 eyes and 1 cardboard circle. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 white circles. Now our sheep is ready. Let's take our long pencil and we are going to tape it to the back of the cardboard circle. Hello! See? It's ready and the sheep is happy because it has a partner. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a may-may here and a may-may there, here may, there may, everywhere may-may. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hope you all enjoyed making the stick puppet with me. See you in my next video. Bye bye.